Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for all my lovely first grade mathematicians. This week, we've been discussing two-digit addition with and without regrouping. We've also been doing challenge problems this week so we can practice addition with and without regrouping. This challenge problem is the one I gave you yesterday. This was an addition problem where you did need to regroup. Now, I know you girls probably already completed it. You probably already did great on it, but I am still gonna have you go over it with me anyway. So our problem is 18 plus 15. Like always, I've set it up so I'm solving vertically. I want you to always be doing that when you're doing two-digit addition, is setting it up vertically. And I've set up my place value picture chart. So I have on top 110 and 8 ones for 18. And on the bottom, 110 and 5 ones for 15. So I'm wondering if any of you remember, do I start by adding up my 10s first or adding up my 1s first? Yeah, I start by adding up my 1s. I always, when I'm doing two-digit addition and subtraction, start at my 1s and work my way this way. So I'm going to add up my 1s. I'm going to count them up. Let's see how many 1s I have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I have 13 ones. 8 and 5 makes 13. But something seems off here. What's going on? Should I just keep all 13 ones and do 8 plus 5 equals 13 down here, all done? Or should I do something since I have so many ones? Because it seems like a lot. I should group? Yeah. Oh, you're right. I can, oh my goodness. I talked about regrouping at the beginning of the video. I can take 10 of my 13 and make them into a group of 10. So I can take 10 of these loose ones and make them into one group of 10. So I think I'm going to do that now. I'm going to make sure I can circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle these 10 ones so that I have a group of 10. I'm going to show that on the 10 side. There we go. So I know that my 10 ones make 110. And that means I have 1, 2, 3 ones left over. 3 ones that did not make it into that group of 10. So I'm going to delete this. I only have 3 ones left because I took these 10 ones and made them into a group of 10. And I'm going to come over here because I only have 3 ones, but I have 1 new 10. I'm going to show that I have 1 new 10 by putting a 1 right there. So that will remind me that I made a new 10 because 8 plus 5 isn't 3. 8 plus 5 is 13, but 13 only has 3 ones. So I'm taking that 10 from 13 and putting it over here so all my 10s can be added up together. All right, let's see how many 10s I have. Ready? I have 1, 2, 3 10s. I have 3 10s. I had 2 10s before, but I made that new 10 out of those 10 ones, and now I have 3 10s. So I'm going to put that here. So I have 3 10s and 3 1s after I've counted everything up. So what's 18 plus 15? That's right. 18 plus 15 equals 33. Next week, we're going to talk a lot about subtraction. I'm really excited to get into that. If you would like to review subtraction with and without regrouping, there are videos on our first grade playlist you can go to. I am so proud of you. Keep working hard, keep going on Zearn and doing your instructional packets, and I hope you have a great weekend. All right, bye-bye.